वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Myself Savroop Kaur, lecturer at Shri Guru Angad Dev College of Education, Khadur Sahib. Welcome to the English class. Today, in this video, I am going to shed some light upon the very interesting concepts of linguistic, phonology and phonetic. So, let's start. First of all, what is the purpose of language? Why we use language? The purpose of language is that through language we communicate, share our ideas, thoughts with others and convey meaning. But to fulfill this purpose, what we use the most? We use sounds. Sounds are the most important part of language because through sounds we can communicate and convey meaning. So, in linguistics, there are two subjects which are related with sounds. First is phonetics, second is phonology. Some students often find it difficult to understand the difference between phonetic and phonology. Today I will try to clear that one. But firstly, let me clear the concepts. What is phonetic? Phonetic is the study of characteristics of speech sounds. Means phonetic only deal with the speech sounds produced by humans. It do not have any concern with those sounds which are produced by animals, aeroplanes, by vehicles or any other means. Next is it deal with how speech sounds are articulated. This is a function of articulatory phonetics. It means that how humans produce sounds physically, mechanically to communicate with others. Next is how speech sounds travel in air as waves, which is a acoustic phonetic. It means that when we speak, how air flows, what is the physical property of speech sounds as waves. Next is how speech sounds are perceived in ears, which is a function of auditory phonetics. It means that how listener perceives speech sounds scientifically. Phonetic is deal with all these things. On the other side, phonology is a description of pattern and system of speech sounds in a particular language. It means that phonology is the study of sound system of a particular language or how speech sounds are used to convey meaning. It deals with the different sounds that are present in a particular language or sound pattern that are present in a certain language. Moving ahead, phonetic deals with the physical production of speech sounds by humans, often without prior knowledge of the language being spoken. It means that there is no need of a proper knowledge about the language which we speak. It deals with only the production of sounds with the help of different organs. Whereas in phonology, it deals with the different sounds that are present in a particular language. In this, person have a proper knowledge about the language which he or she is speak. Next is phonetic is the transmission of human speech sounds. Means when we speak, we produce speech sounds that are usually transmitted to another human being who perceives them. Phonology organized sounds in a particular language. Means how sounds are organized into words. Phonetic deals with the vocal tract phonation type. Vocal tract is the cavity in human beings where sounds are produced. Phonation is a process by which the sounds produced through vibration. So phonetic is deals with all these concepts. On the other side, phonology deals with the aspects of sounds like intonation, stress, prosody, rhythm, etc. Now what is intonation? Intonation is a rise and fall of the voice in speaking. What is stress? Stress is the degree of force by which the word is uttered. Prosody is the study of intonation, stress, rhythm for convey information. Moving further, phonetic is the physical production of sounds that how sounds produced with the help of different organs. Like here is a picture that shows the different organs like heart, petal, lower teeth, pharynx, larynx, through which we produce different sounds. Letters like b, t are voiced, means sounds made while the vocal cord vibrate or touch our throat. Like the sound Per sound is voiceless, means sounds made where there is no vibration in our vocal cord. On the other side, phonology is the abstract concept of sounds of language in speaker's mind. It is a theoretical concept. Let me give you one example. In our native language, sometimes we produce those words which even doesn't exist because there is a fixed sound pattern of our native language in our mind. Here is an example of the phonetic. A word me, I have written MI in phonetic transcription. Me would be pronounced in a different way by a person when he is happy, sad or throat infection while shouting. Phonetic will differentiate all these versions. While in phonology tells us that how all the versions should be considered as. It means that how me is different from B. Phonetic symbols are enclosed in square brackets, whereas phonemic symbols are enclosed in slash marks as shown in a screen. In phonetic, a sound per would be pronounced differently in all words, such as per sound in pill is aspirated, but per sound in spill is not aspirated. Let me clear one thing. Aspirated means when we produce sounds with the help of the stronger puff of air or with the force. These sounds mostly voiceless. In unaspirated sounds, there is an audible puff of air and these sounds mostly voiced. In English, sounds like t, k, p are aspirated when these sounds become before a vowel. In phonology is concerned with the meaning that changes with new phonemes. For example, the word cat. In this, there is a three phoneme k, a, t. I have written k, a, t in a phonetic transcription. But if c replaced with r, then it carries different meaning. It becomes rat, r, a, t. Next is phonetic is a physics of sounds. Means when we speak, how sounds are produced. Like when we speak b, then our lips touch with each other. So b is a bilabial sound. On the other side, phonology deals with the psychology of mind. Means there is an involvement of our mind, like sound patterns of a particular language. Phonetic is the basis of phonological studies only. Means it deals with only speech sounds. Phonology is the basis on further studies like morphology, discourse, semantics and syntax. The smallest unit of phonetic is phones. Now what is phones? Phones are the sounds. When we pronounce phonemes, it becomes phones. Phones are represented with brackets. On the other side, the smallest unit of phonology is phonemes. Phonemes are the smallest unit in language that are capable of conveying a distinction in meaning. It is the abstract mental representation. These are represented with slashes. For example, the word keep. I have written keep in again phonetic transcription. This word contains three phonemes k, e, p. But if k changes with d, then it carries different meaning. It becomes deep. Now here is a picture of different phonetic symbols. You can see. Now in a nutshell, phonetic studies speech sounds in general and phonology uses these material in order to discover pattern, formulate rules or to investigate principles governing the sound system of a particular language. Thank you.